Hi, I'm Brittany and I want to introduce you to my coffee grinders. To the left we have the Kitchen Highline and to the right we have the Hamilton Beach. Let's have a showdown! Now the Kitchen Highline is a very simple coffee grinder that has no bells and whistles, so it's actually very easy to use, which is why I like it. So it's nice that you can just pour, close the lid, and push the button. You also can control how coarse or fine, depending how long you press the buttons. Once it's ground, you can just tilt it and put it directly into the coffee maker. It's very easy, one and done. The cord, you can just twirl around under this little holder. So now the Hamilton. This one has a lot of bells and whistles and sometimes can be a little complicated if you are not paying attention. It has labeling all over it, so it does make it easy even for people who have a hard time with things that are a little bit more complicated. It has a labeling of 4, 8, 12 cups. You can put the coffee beans up to that level. Put it to, I'm going to have 8 cups of coffee, and then you can choose coarse, mild, or fine. It has that on the knob. And then you press the button and you can walk away. The cup where the grounds are can be taken out. That can be dumped into the coffee maker. I highly recommend both of these. As you can see, the grounds are identical. So you really are going to get the same result. It's just how you're going to get there and what are your preferences. If you are a fellow coffee lover and want to give these a try, I hope this video was helpful.